years old, doctor.
Where do you live in?
I live in Semarang.
What do you do for a living?
I work in industry, doctor.
Can I help you?
Yes, doctor. I'm sorry, doctor. I have coughing for about a week.
Do you have feel something else aside from coughing?
Yes, doctor. I had cold and a shoulder prior to having cough.
Have you got allergies?
I'm aware about it.
Have you had hospitalization before?
Yes, doctor. I have previous.
I'd like to ask you some personal question, if you don't mind.
I don't mind at all.
Okay. Is there anybody else around you being sick this day?
Yeah, cold and cough are quiet, fostering a number of my household lately.
Okay. Do you smoke?
Yes.
Or
Yes.
do you drink?
Yes, doctor, I do want it. I have been drink for 2 day and I have smoking 8 until 10 stick in a day.
Okay. I have some advice for you.
Yes, doctor, what?
You have to reduce smoking and drinking alcohol because it can make your cough more severe.
Oh, okay, doctor, I will reduce it.
Okay, then this your receipt.
Okay, doctor, where can I take it?
You can take it from pharmacy.
Oh, okay, doctor, thank you for your information,
Okay.
doctor.
You're welcome.
Thank